2 minus root 3. Now, the conjugate is what? It simply means that you have to turn this sign here, which is the negative sign, to what? To positive. So definitely we are going to have what? 2 plus root what? Root 3 divided by root 5. So this is the what? The conjugate of this number here. So since this one is what? Is minus, you change it to what? To plus. So in changing it to plus, you now do what? You now multiply the numerator and the denominator by the what? By the conjugate. You multiply the denominator and the numerator by the what? By the conjugate. You understand? So let's look at some questions. Some questions here. Now we have, so what you have here is that you say what? Since this is what? The conjugate, then you use it to multiply the numerator and the what? And the denominator. So what you have here, you open the bracket, you say 2 minus 5 root, close bracket, divided by 2, into bracket, minus root 5. You close the bracket. Now, you express out. What you do here is this. You say 3 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 6. 3 times minus root 5 will give us minus 3 root 5. Root 5. So you divide. Then 2 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 4. 2 times minus root 5 will give us minus 2 root 5. Then plus root 5 times 2 will give us what? Plus 2 root 5. Root 5 times root 5 will give us what? Minus root 25. Minus root 25. So in this place here, minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 will cancel their self. So we are left with what? We are left with 6 minus 3 root what? Root 5 divided by 4 minus root 25 will give us what? 5. So minus what? Minus 5. Minus 5. So we move further. 4 minus 1 will give us what? Minus 1. So we have 6 minus 3 root 5 divided by what? Minus 1. Minus 1. Now, we cannot leave our answer like this because we have what? Minus 1. But assume there is no minus here, we would have just leave the answer like that. You understand? Because 6 minus 3 root 5 divided by minus will still give us 6 minus 3 root 5. So in this place here, we do what? We separate them. How do we separate them? The reason is that this minus 1 belongs to this and also belongs to this side. So what we do here is this. You say what? Equal to 6 divided by what? Minus 1. Then minus 3 root 5 divided by what? Minus 1. We have been able to share it. So 1 here, 1 here, we have what? Minus 6 here. And then minus will cancel minus. We are left with what? Plus. So definitely our answer is what? Equal to minus 6 plus 3 root 5. These are what? Our final answer. Now the thing is that 1 divided by 6 will still give us 1. So we have what? We have our minus here. Then minus divided by minus will give us what? Will give us plus. That is minus cancel minus. We have plus. So 3 root 5. Then we bring it here, which is what? How we use in solving the what? The conjugate of sod. So this is what? Is how conjugate of sod is being solved. Now, we have another question which was 5 divided by root 7 plus what? Root 3. Please do well to share this video. Please do well to share this video. If you have younger ones that are still in school, that are finding difficult in all this subject, please do well to share this video to them. It will be of a good help to them. So please do well to share this video. Now, when you have something like this, you don't need to stress yourself. It's very, very easy. As I told us earlier, we look for the what? The conjugate of what? Of the denominator. So what we have here is this. We say what? The conjugate is what? Will be 7 root 7 minus what? Root 3. This plus here we change to what? Change to minus. So now we multiply both sides up and down by what? By the conjugate. We have what? Root 7 minus root 1, root 3 divided by, here also we have what? Root 7 minus root 3. Now in this, 5 times root 7 will give us what? Will give us 5 root 7. 5 times root 3 will give us what? Minus 5 root 3 divided by root 7 times root 7 will give us what? Root 49. Root 49. That's this to this. Then root 7 times what? Times minus 3. We have what? Minus root 21. Then plus root 3 times what? Times root 7 will give us what? Plus root 21. Then 3 root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Will give us minus root 9. Minus root 9. So yeah, since we have minus root what? Root 21 plus root 21. There are two who cancel themselves. So definitely here, cancel here. We are now left with what? Root 49 and what? Root 9. Root 49 is what? Is 7. Root 9 is what? Is 3. So we move further. To bring it down, we have what? We have 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3 divided by what? By 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 here will give us 4. Will give us 4. Will give us 4. So we have what? 5 root 7 minus 5 root 3 divided by what? By 4. By 4 is our final answer. Now, this is another question. This is another question. This is another question. They say what? Simplify 3 root 3 plus root 2. Then plus root 3 minus what? Minus root 2. What you do here is this. You open the bracket. How do we open the bracket? We multiply this bracket by this bracket. So we say what? Root 3 times root 3 will give us what? Will give us root 9. Root 3 times root 2 will give us what? Minus root 6. Root 6. Then plus root 2 times root 3 will give us what? Plus root 6. And then plus root 2 times what? Times minus root 2 will give us what? Minus root 4. Now, don't forget, in expansion of brackets, you have to always carry the multiplication rules along. Now, what are we saying here? We have plus times plus equal to what? Equal to plus. Minus times minus equal to what? Equal to plus. Then minus times plus equals to minus. Then plus times minus equals to minus. Equal to minus. So in this place here, we have minus root 6 plus root 6. This will cancel this. We are now left with root 9 and what? Root 4. Root 9 minus root 4. Root 9 will give us what? Will give us 3. Root 4 will give us what? Will give us 2. 2 minus 3 minus 2 will give us what? Will give us 1 as our what? As our final answer. So please, this is what our conjugate of salt is being what? Is being solved. So if you have any question you want to ask, please do well to drop it on the comment section. I will be there to answer all your questions. And then, if you have not shared this video, please help us to share this video. Okay, thank you guys for salt. That is all for salt. We'll meet again in